How to change your Gmail password on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail password on mobile. First, go to your Gmail app. Here, tap on your profile on your top right. Then, go to Add another account. Now select Google to set up your email. Now enter your email address or phone number to continue. Tap on Next to proceed further. After that, tap on Forgot Password. Now select I don't have a phone. Now you can update your password if you forgot it. To do so, tap on Update Password. Now create a new password. Then confirm your new password. Once you're done, tap on Save Password. Now select I agree. And that's all. Your password has been changed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.